Do you want teeth this white, bright, and shiny?
No, David! David!
Ditch that grimy grin with teeth whitening. Cheaper than veneers and easier than implants. Just don't take it too far, or beware of the consequences. This is Your Body On, whitening your teeth for a decade. Yellow chompers. Dental stains can be broken down into two categories, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic stains happen inside the tooth and can be caused by trauma, infections, or aging. Extrinsic stains are on the surface of your teeth. These are caused by smoking.
We have to quit smoking.
Coffee.
But old people love coffee.
Red wine.
I love red wine.
And some fruits and vegetables.
Are they red?
Your teeth will also yellow if you don't brush regularly. Ugh, gross.
I rinse my mouth out with soda after I eat.
Pearly Whites. Teeth whitening is a $7 billion industry. With so many different options on the market, what's the best solution? The easiest choice is whitening toothpaste. It uses tiny abrasive particles to scrub away minor extrinsic staining on your teeth. But if you need a deeper clean, you'll need to use a product containing hydrogen peroxide. It can penetrate your teeth and break down staining in your enamel.
You have the whitest teeth. Jesus Christ.
If your color isn't too bad, you can use over-the-counter products like strips, gels, and rinses. If none of those work to brighten your smile, you may need to shell out a bit more cash and visit your dentist.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything right now.
There are many procedures available, from bleaching to using LEDs or even lasers. There are also home whitening kits that you can get custom fitted to your teeth. But be prepared to spend between $500 to $1,200 for these. But are there any dangers in over-whitening your teeth? The results. Expect brighter chiclets for up to 6 months using whitening strips, or for up to a year with a whitening tray.
Oh my God, it's so bright!
The effects of a professional whitening treatment will last anywhere from 1 to 3 years. But what if you used whitening products continuously for an entire decade? The risks. Getting professional whitening more than twice a year can dry out the enamel in your gnashers and permanently damage them.
I don't have any enamel on my teeth, so the cold air is excruciating.
And that damage can go deeper than the enamel. It can breach the dentin layer, the largest of the 3 levels of your teeth. Overexposure to hydrogen peroxide can chip away at your dentin and make your teeth extra sensitive. The hot coffee you love having in the morning will become a painful experience. And that ice cream treat you look forward to? Not so enjoyable anymore. Even using whitening toothpaste for too long can degrade your enamel. But it's not just your teeth going through it. Your gums will also lose their color from all that bleach. And after all this time, those pearly whites of yours have turned gray from all the damage done to your enamel.
Yikes.
And not only that, all those chemicals you put on your teeth have seeped into your body, and now you have stomach problems.
I don't feel so good.
In case you're thinking of trying this, you should know that your teeth have a threshold where they won't get any whiter. At this point, any extra bleaching will only damage them. Dental health. As with most things, the key to whiter teeth is moderation. Regular brushing and checkups will help keep your teeth healthy and bright. Now that your teeth are the color you want,
Are those your teeth?
it might be time to think about straightening them. We're bracing up for 10 years on another episode of Your Body On.